guys, it's Christy and welcome back. Today I've got some fun things to show you from Sephora Pantone. You guys have seen the color of the year, Tangerine Tango and all that kind of stuff. Well, they have come out with a new palette, and this is called the Shades of Nature. And this is what the palette looks like, and they've also come out with a new brush set. And I had to get these separately, and I've had the palette for a little bit, but I haven't played with it because I was waiting on the brush set because I wanted to show you at the same time. But the eyeshadow palette is $55, and the brush set is, I think it's $34. My computer's loading, it's being slow. But anyway, we'll go ahead while it's loading, so I can tell you how much the brush set is. We'll go ahead and open this. So it comes in this packaging. This is the eyeshadow palette, and it's just cardboard. 38. The brush set's 38. So this one's 55, and these are limited edition items, and it just has this foamy thing on the top, and then your palette is inside. So the packaging isn't as cumbersome as the Tangerine Tango packaging. This is just a plastic palette. It's pretty sleek. It's kind of tall. There are 35 shadows in here. So, and on the front it looks like a little plant, like a little stem. So we will open it up. See how we're going to do this. The back part is a big old mirror, so I'm going to cover that up so it doesn't blind you, but this whole back part is a mirror. So all this. And there's a little sheet in there that just kind of tells you the numbers of the shadows. So this is what the palette looks like. And I'll put my finger over one of those shadows so you can see about how big that it is. And it's just got all the shades that they consider to be inspired by nature. It has the orange shades. It's got pink and purple, aquas, and yellow and green, and some really pretty browns in it. I'm not going to swatch these on camera just because it would take so long to do it, but I will swatch them on my blog, and I will do a review of them on my blog and let you know what I think about them, and that will be linked below. And the brush set comes in this box, and it's the same kind of thing. It's just cardboard, and it comes in this little package, and this is also plastic. This feels like a cheaper plastic to me than this does. Let me feel them. Well, maybe not. I don't know. It seems a little, I don't know. Stop fighting! That's my parenting skills. My cats are fighting. So, again, it's got the little plant thing. I don't know if you guys could hear them or not, but they have been at it. I've got 2 Maine Coons, and they have been at it all day. I mean, they're big cats anyway, so when they go to fight or play fight or whatever the heck they're doing in there, they're huge cats, and so they just take out anything and everything in their path. And they're just in the mood right now. So this also has a mirror on it, and this is what the brush set looks like. So this part up here is a mirror. I just put that little foam piece. So I will keep this case. I probably won't keep the brushes in the case because I don't like to pull out cases and things like that. I'm sure it's supposed to be sort of travel friendly, but I don't know. I mean, I think it's bulky. So, but it's not a bad case. We'll pull the brushes out. See what they look like. I haven't even taken them out yet because I just got these because the brushes weren't available when I got the palette. So, this is the first brush, and it says Sephora plus Pantone Universe, and it's really super pretty. This is a shadow brush, and it's really, really soft. And it's a large brush. You can see it with my finger behind it, how big it is. But it's duochrome. I don't know if the camera's going to pick it up. I hope it does. It looks a little purple. It looks a little aqua. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. And then this is kind of like a cream color, and then, you know, you've got the blue, the kind of, you know, just right at the tip. So I really, really think these brushes are super pretty. This one is just a, you know, for eyeliner. And it just says liner on it. And it also says, you know, it's a Sephora Pantone. Same color scheme, obviously. That duochrome is really, really super pretty. And this is a really $38. And these brushes so far, I mean, the two that I felt are really, really soft. So if these brushes are the quality that I think they are going to be, $38 is a steal for 5 of them. So yeah, 5 of them. This brush is the crease brush. Pull that off the end. And it's kind of, it's sort of, you know, it's kind of large. It's going to be pretty big. I'm probably going to use it for blending more than detailed crease work. Although if I'm not going for a really defined crease, I may use it for that. But it's really soft. This one is their smudge brush, and it's just small and densely packed. It's soft, but it is densely packed. And the last one is just another shadow brush. Let's see what they call this. They call this their shader brush. You can kind of see the tip of my finger how big it is. And these are synthetic brushes. You can see compared to the first brush, this is their shader, and this is just their shadow brush. So this is a lot bigger. I'll show you next to my eye. This is more the size that I use, this shader brush. But, I mean, every now and then I use a shadow brush. But anyway, these are gorgeous brushes. I just think they're so pretty. And they're really, really soft. I'm excited to use them. And I'll take pictures of them, and I'll link those below as well. So if you have any questions, let me know. If you've picked these up, let me know what you think about them. And don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And I'll see you later. Thanks. Bye.